come together as one industry talaga and look at initiatives that we can do per industry, per sector. So I think that's really the goal of being a PRO, is to bring together its members and have initiatives for plastic responsibility or plastic sustainability. Yeah. Just a quick update on our numbers. We are 119 strong as of today, OEs, and we have 1 voluntary enterprise. So yeah, we're hoping to grow more. But yeah, next slide please. Yeah. And then our performance for last year. So for both rigids and flexibles. For both rigids and flexibles, we actually exceeded our targets of 40%. So for rigids, we hit 41.85%. And then for flexibles,